In this video, I am going to show you how to make money with Clickbank as a complete beginner. And this method is extremely simple and anyone can make money with Clickbank by following the instruction that I am going to give in this video. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information. And guys, I only ask one thing in return. Please do like this video. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, of course, you need to have a Clickbank account, and if you don't have a Clickbank account, you can simply visit to clickbank.com and click on this button and follow the step-by-step instruction and create your own Clickbank account. And in case if you are not able to create your Clickbank account, then what you can do is as an alternative, you can use Digistore24 and use this exact method to promote affiliate products from Digistore24. But for now, in this video, we are going to talk about Clickbank. So firstly, log into your Clickbank account and click on this marketplace, and then search the offer and sort it out by gravity. Now what you need to do is click on these affiliate pages of every this offer, okay, and see. So let me show you about this offer that is called get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Now just let's click on this affiliate page. Once you click on this affiliate page, you will reach to this kind of interface. Once you reach this kind of interface, then just click on this PPC ad, or if there was something like keyword, then you could have clicked on that. So for now, let's click on this PPC ad. So here you'll find some information on PPC ad. So PPC ad simply means like promoting products or services in Google Ads or Bing Ads, okay. And here you can see the suggested keyword. Now these keyword lists are something that this offer owner wants you to promote, okay, by targeting these kind of keywords. So that means these keywords are already ultra highly targeted to bring you sales and conversion. Of course, once you use these keywords to promote this offer, okay, then you will get high volume of traffic from either if you are promoting it in Google Ads or in Bing Ads, okay, you are going to get high volume of traffic, and also you will have a greater chance of conversion. As you can see, this product name is get paid to use by using social media, okay, and they are showing social media jobs, social media work from home, okay, these kind of keywords they have given. Now you can target all of these keywords and promote everything on Microsoft ad. You can simply search on Google Microsoft ad and you will see this link. Just click on it and you will be able to visit to this interface, and you can simply click on sign up now and follow the step-by-step instruction, and you will be able to create your own Microsoft ad account in an easy way. And once you create your account on Microsoft ad and create your campaign on Microsoft ad, then those campaigns will be shown in this site, okay. This is similar to google.com and this is called bing.com. so whenever anyone types something at here and search, then if they search your keyword, okay, then your ad will be shown because you will be promoting it in Microsoft ads. Now in order to become expert on promoting Clickbank products by using Microsoft ad, what you need to do is simply visit to Google and type Clickbank full course make money with Pawan, okay. So you'll see these two course that is of 1 hour 43 minutes, and in this course I have shown you in a step-by-step process on how you can promote Clickbank products by using this kind of normal keyword, okay, not only from this affiliate network but from Microsoft ads keyword planner, okay. You can extract those keywords and promote Clickbank products to get sales consistently. So simply type Clickbank full course make money with Pawan and watch any one of from this course, okay. So guys, now wait for nothing, just follow the step-by-step instruction that I have given to you and start to promote Clickbank offers in Microsoft ad in an easy way by watching this full course. And don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.